For today's lesson, we'll discuss topics about YouTube, YouTube Studio and TikTok. We will also discuss algorithms and learn how to grow your ZEPETO accounts. Without further ado, let's begin. Video will play in a few minutes. First, let's talk about YouTube. This is the main look for your YouTube channel. We'll focus our discussion on the things that are frequently used when uploading contents. Click on your videos. You will go to a new tab and that will be the YouTube Studio. All contents that you will be uploading will be stored here. It could be the live stream you did and posts too. This area is the informations of your uploaded video. You can also see them on next tabs, which is live and posts. Now let us check the details of our first video. Click the pencil icon. Here in this section, you will able to edit your titles, descriptions and etc. Let's move to putting end screen for your video. End screens are added to the last 5 to 20 seconds of a video. Here in my recent post, I already have an end screen. You can add another element by clicking the element option. Here are the elements you can add for your end screen. End screen sample. You can also consider to leave a space at the end of your video for your end screen elements to sit. Take note, you can put an end screen if the format of your uploaded video are 16:9. Let's now proceed to cards. Cards are pre-formatted notifications that appear on desktop and mobile, which you can set up to promote your brand and other videos on your channel. Here you will notice I already input 3 cards on my video. You can edit them to this section if you want. Sample video for cards pop up. Whenever watchers click your cards, this is the things they'll see. Take note, you can only add 5 cards for each video, so make sure to use them right. For example, if you mention a specific video or a piece of merchandise, you could try adding a card at that exact moment. Example.
I also made a video of that before, but it was all from Blackpink members.
Now that's it for end screens and cards. Let's talk about thumbnails. I also have my thumbnail changed here, but if you don't have yet, this is the section you'll go to change your thumbnail. When you are creating your thumbnail, wear your clothes that are used in the video or any style you want. Your backgrounds and clothes will still depend on how you want your thumbnails go. Here I'll just go random picking of clothes since this is only for a sample video. Now time to shoot your avatars. Make sure to zoom it if you're not going to full body so the quality will look better. Now edit your thumbnail to your preferred photo editor. Now let us try to upload a sample video and use the thumbnail we edit. Go back to channel content. Upload a video. forward to our next topic, TikTok account. We'll be discussing the basics of it, on how to post, add sounds, effects and what hashtags to use for content upload you will submit. Video will play in a few minutes. Once you open TikTok, For You page will pop up. Here in Discover you will see the lists of trending hashtags and videos. If you want to upload a video with this sound, you can click the audio on lower right corner. You can also add them to your favorite so it'll be stored here. Going back, click Use this sound. Select Upload. Choose any videos you like to upload in your TikTok. Now here, you can see familiar options to choose because this area will let you edit your video. To add effects, tap and hold the effect to apply it on your video. You can also add text and use voice too. Stickers options are also available. Once all done, click Next. Now here, add your description and hashtags. Hashtags are quite useful, especially if your account is new and if you are an active user. These are my most used hashtags whenever I am uploading a content in ZEPETO TikTok. Now let us go to Select Cover. This is like a thumbnail in YouTube. The difference of this is you cannot upload a customized one and you need to select a cover through the video itself. Here, select your cover then add text if you want. You can preview your pending video here and see if it's fit on your style. I always use 9:16 because it is most used by content creators and videos are way better when you upload it that way. Last topic, algorithms and how to gain followers. First, for YouTube. The YouTube algorithm selects videos for viewers with two goals in mind: finding the right video for each viewer and enticing them to keep watching. How do YouTube determines the algorithm? To get more likes, subscribers and views, make sure to have a catchy and unique title, not those you copied from a famous YouTuber because your video will go below them. Using a customized thumbnail will help you increase viewers, especially if the photo will be informative. Uploading and informative videos like tutorials, doing styles and vlog contents are the main things to have viewers watch your videos. Engage with your viewers, comment back and give them heart, and if you can welcome them to your channel, you can comment it down so they'll feel welcomed. When it comes to uploading your contents, I highly recommend to post it by morning and afternoon. Unless you are super famous, you can upload any time of the day. Note that uploading once or twice a day will be a hassle for editors and to viewers as well. So be careful on it because your viewers might get bored and not watch those. More than anything else, in a time of content saturation, people want quality. The algorithm prioritizes satisfaction for each individual user, so find your niche and lean into it. Next, for TikTok. TikTok may seem complex and mysterious, but they revealed how it works. From hashtags you use, music choices, and even the very first TikTok video you liked, they can all influence the TikTok algorithm. How TikTok algorithms works. Hashtags. Researching what hashtags are trending can be a benefit, especially if they fit on your category or brand. 2. TikTok captions. Add a simple caption, or you can use emoji or start to ask a question for your followers. 3. Trending sounds. Like hashtags, make sure you are using the sound on your uploaded video. Do not own any music unless you started the challenge. 4. When your audience are most active. Posting content when your audience is most active is one of the ways to get your contents be seen. 5. Video editing and content. Your video edits should be unique, or if not, join TikTok challenges that are trending. Piece of advice, as what mentioned earlier on YouTube. Again, you need to be consistently posting and not leave your followers or viewers hanging because you might be shadow banned. What is shadow banned? The most common definition of a shadow ban on TikTok is when an account abruptly stops receiving views, likes, and traffic from the For You page. Here in TikTok, you can upload twice or thrice a day. Do not care first at the views because you will get there as long as your contents are amazing, trending, and you are consistent. Let's summarize. Video contents are highly recommended. Always use customized thumbnails. Use trending hashtags and sounds. Be consistent and passionate on posting your contents. I hope you learned something new with our discussions this week. If you have any questions, please let me know on our chat room. Thank you for watching. See you next week.